Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I will show you how you can create this rotating animation in Canva. So let's get started. First we will open a video project. We will select this landscape video. Now we will change the color of the background into black. We will go to elements and choose frames, and we will select the circle frame. We will decrease the size of it and put it in the middle of the page. Now we will duplicate it and rotate it. And bring it here. Now we will select and make it a group. Now we will duplicate it and put it in the middle. We will make a circle with these. Now we will add our images into these frames one by one. This now we will make it a group, and we will animate this. We will rotate this and decrease the speed of it. And now we will increase the size of it and put it in the center of the page. We will go to elements and choose fade. So here are some options. I will choose the second one. Now we will type our text. Now we will play this animation. You can also use this animation into your presentations and for different projects. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.